Guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a 4th of July inspired makeup look. Now, we just got back from Target because I had to pick up some things for this makeup look. So, ow! I have everything in my Target bag that I just picked up. So let's get started. So I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to be starting to do the face first. No. I'm going to do the eyes first, just because I like makeup looks like this. I wanted to do the eyes first. So I'm going to take my favorite eye primer. This is the ColourPop Party Proof Eye Primer. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to prime the eyes with this. Okay. I'm going to just take my finger and blend it a little bit. Oh, and this one is in the color translucent. I was going to get like the one in light, but I like this one. But I eventually I'm gonna get the light one. Now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair. I have a small amount of this on the lids, and then I'm gonna use my I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A19 to blend in the concealer. Actually, I need to get my beauty blender. To set the eyes, I actually have a new primer setting powder that I wanted to try. So I picked up from Target the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting primer. Why do I keep saying primer? Setting powder. This one is in light. And I have the actual Halo Glow liquid filter. I tried that first, and now I'm going to try this one. So I'm going to just take my Morphe and Ariel brush number A14 to apply this. A little bit of this in the cap. Tap off the excess, and then set the eyes. Ooh, I really, really like this. Some of these products are going to be obviously first impressions. Maybe like 4 products. Yeah, 4 products. I really like this powder. It's so nice. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A11, and I'm going to take my bronzer. This one is from Physicians Formula in the color bronzer, or in the shade bronzer. I'm going to apply this to the crease. This is pretty much all we're going to do on the eyes, except for an eyeliner look and some shimmer on the lid. For a lid shade, I'm actually going to be using the highlighter that we're going to be using on the face. So I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian. I'm going to use my finger to apply it. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush. I'm going to take this one. This one is from e.l.f. This is the blending brush. I'm just going to blend in the crease a little bit, and then on the highlighter too. I'm going to take one of my makeup wipes, and I'm just going to kind of carve out the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going to do the eyeliner. So I'm going to use a white eyeliner. I got this one from e.l.f. at Target. This is the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner. I didn't know it was an eye and body. That's cool. I'm going to do definitely something waterproof because if I'm going swimming, the liner can stay put. I think both of these are waterproof. Let me see. Now the blue is not waterproof, but the white is, so that's okay. So this is in the color white. So I'm actually going to move my mirror closer so I can see better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a wing liner, but I'm going to go a little bit thicker, so because I'm also going to be doing a black liner. So I'm going to go in a thicker with the white. I can take my makeup wipe just to clean up and crisp up the line. Okay, then with a black eyeliner, I'm going to use the Mackage ink liner in black. Oh no, I should wait until it dries. That would be a better idea. Now, first I'm going to actually set the eyeliner with the same powder. To set it, I'm going to use the Sephora smudger brush. Okay, disaster struck. So I just did the rest of the eyeliner off camera, and it turned out pretty good. I mean, I don't think it's even, but that's the best I could get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set the black eyeliner on camera. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the color Abyss to set the black eyeliner. So I'm going to use a blue eyeliner. This is like the only blue I could find at Target because all the other blues and any like eyeliner pencil were sold out at Target. It was so sad. So I'm going to use this one. This is the NYX Epic Smoke Liner in Slate Smoke. So this is actually kind of like a gray blue, I think. So I'm actually going to mix a eyeshadow with this. I'm actually going to I have a reference photo here that I'm going to look at. Okay, so I'm going to take this. I think you can put this on the waterline. I'm going to try to do that. I don't know if you can. Okay, so you can kind of really barely see the blue. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go underneath the lower lash line and apply another kind of better kind of blue. But this is still a good color. I like it. So I'm going to go back to the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to mix two colors. I'm going to mix Torque and Pool Party together, and that is like the perfect blue. So I'm going to take the Morphe and Ariel brush number A7. I'm going to mix those two colors together. And we are going to apply this underneath the lower lash line. I kind of want to stop it about right here, and then we're going to put the highlight shade in the inner corner. I'm going to take a different brush this time. I'm going to take, I think this is from, I actually have no idea. Maybe BH Cosmetics? I don't know. I'm going to take the ColourPop highlighter that we used on the lids. I'm actually going to take this on the inner part of the lower lash line. Kind of blend it towards the blue. I feel like I could add a little bit more. No, I think that looks okay actually. Now I'm going to apply some mascara on the lower lash line. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This is in the color black. Now I want to kind of create like a cool kind of like face paint thing on my left side of my face. I'm actually going to use this as a guide for the first part. So I'm going to start about kind of like right where the eyeliner, here, oops, right where it starts. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I think I'm going to start about right here and then kind of bring it up. I'm going to totally mess this up and this is not going to look good. So let's compromise. Let's use something else actually. So I'm going to use a brown eyeliner as my guide. That's actually perfect. Oops. So I'm going to try to create like a firework type thing. Okay, so this is the rough outline of it. I think it turned out amazing. I might have to kind of make the blue part a little bit bigger, I think. And kind of match it, or kind of line it up with the red that's there as well. Okay, now we're going to go back to white. And I'm just going to kind of create some dots. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. It's the best as I can do. I'm not very good at drawing, so this is the best I can do. I'm gonna go back to the blue and kind of apply some blue in the different kind of areas of the stripes. That turned out kind of cool. Wow. Now I guess it's lip time. So I'm gonna take the Jafra matte, liquid matte lipstick in Cupid's Kiss. And when I was coming up with this look, I didn't use a brush, and I'm going to try to use a brush this time. This is the Echo Tools Detailed Liner Brush. Okay. So the lashes that I chose for this look are I think these are Kiss, yeah, Kiss Couture Lash extension lashes or Luxtension, I don't know what they're called. These are in the style Velvet. Lashes are on. That took super long. So next I'm going to set the brows with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I want to get lipstick on my forehead. Okay, then I'm going to set the face using the ColourPop No Filter Setting Mist. And press this in, but I'm going to avoid the little flag firework thing. Okay, that was it for today's video. I hope you all have a nice 4th of July and see you guys in the next one. Bye!